নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, আমাৰ চেনেললৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি আপোনালোকক মেথছ জিনিয়াছ শকুন্তলা দেৱীৰ অদ্ভুত টেলেণ্টৰ এটা ভিডিঅ' দেখাম, যাৰ বাবে তেওঁ গোটেই বিশ্বতেই হিউমেন কম্পিউটাৰ নামে জনাজাত হৈ পৰিছিল। তেওঁ অলপো দেৰি নকৰাকৈ আমি ভিডিঅ'টো চাব।
Could you just tell me how many digits it is? So that I can sort of program my mind, you see? How many digits by how many digits?
They're both 8 digits.
8-digit numbers.
Yes.
Okay, fine. I'll look at it once it is written down. Okay, now the question is 2, 4, 5, 9, 3, 7, 2, 8 multiplied by 3, 8, 7, 2, 2, 1, 3, 6. Now tell me, Ayaz, you want me to give you the answer from this side to this side or this side to this side?
Oh my God.
I don't think he wants the answer.
What a
Well,
choice.
Tell me,
go
come on.
backwards.
I think let Chandrasekhar decide. Chandrasekhar, do you want the answer from this side to this side or this side to this side?
No, we'll keep the unconventional method later on. Let's go the conventional route first.
This way, you mean?
Yeah, we have enough problem digesting the whole multiplication.
No,
so-
this way, this way.
Why don't we do it differently? What about the panel? Would you prefer the other way?
No, we should
Whichever
start
way.
from the left.
From
Okay.
this way,
Yes.
Left to
right?
right.
Okay, I got the answer already. The answer is 9, 5, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 8, 0, 3, 6, 3, 0, 0, 8.
I wouldn't believe if that was
Is it
right.
correct?
That's exactly correct.
Absolutely correct?
Yeah.
Thank
Right
you.
on the pen.
I can't believe that. Are you sure it's even one digit is not wrong there?
এই বন্ধুসকল, যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিল তেন্তে লাইক কৰিব, আপোনালোকৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকলৰ মাজত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু আপোনাৰ মতামত কমেণ্ট বক্সত নিশ্চয় জনাব আৰু লগতে আমাৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।